I am satisfied that the evidence is sufficient to warrant urgent prosecution and that it is in the public interest to charge the following.
Ekuirwo 50 gukumio-ini ya NYS gukinyo igoti-ini muthenya wa rucio riri ari ikereka ria mbere uthuthuria-ini uyu uri urathii na mbere. Andu ana nyumba imwe guikio ngono mwena wa Naivasha magikuruhanio na kwamukira milioni 59 gukumio-ini ya NYS.
We are no longer going to tolerate in our country unethical people.
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kuruta mukana mururu kuri maafitha othe aria mekunyitikana gitengera-ini kia ungumania.
Nigena ringi gwa kuigua ni kuraura ukaririkana hui uria kwari ukona tari ningi demu ya tuani
na nyitanira na ngina wa Wadurwa agigucokia itura-ini ria Solai thikũ 20 thutha wa mutino wa demu uria woragire andu 46.